Hey guys, this is Misty 2001.
And this is FC7.
And today we're coming at you with kind of a healthier keto recipe, roasted broccoli.
And I never knew broccoli could be so easy to roast.
Yeah, all it is fresh broccoli cut into florets, olive oil, pepper, and garlic salt. You can actually use frozen broccoli as well. I've never done that though. So to make it easier to clean up, I've lined a baking sheet with aluminum foil.
And you really want to get the entire bottom of the sheet, right?
Yeah, otherwise you're going to have quite a mess to clean up.
Because you're going to be adding olive oil to it.
Yeah.
So you don't want any liquid on the metal itself.
No. I was actually fortunate to find already cut up broccoli, but you do want to make sure to wash your produce before you use it.
Yeah.
So preheat your oven to 425 degrees, wash your produce, which I've done already, put it on the pan, cut it up, put it on the pan, and then
make sure to make it even throughout the pan.
Yep, because you don't want to stack it, otherwise it'll steam it.
Not good.
And then you're going to want to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil is a healthier fat, so you know that's a good choice. And then of course you got your garlic salt. You can also use garlic pepper and then salt as well, but I like the flavor of garlic salt, so why not?
I like garlic salt too.
Yeah. And then you got pepper. Although I think I added a little bit too much pepper.
Was it a little peppery?
A little bit. So what's your favorite spice to use?
I don't know. Garlic, I think.
Garlic?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then you put it in the oven. You put it in a 425 degree preheated oven for 20 minutes.
And
this makes a really great side dish for chicken, burgers, anything you want. So then 20 minutes later, there's your roasted broccoli.
And it looks delicious.
It was delicious.
Alright, that should just about do it for this video.
So please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks, guys.